Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got a box from Malaysia. We got something here from Red Chef. I don't know exactly what it is, but let's find out. So Red Chef's had products on the top 10 global list for a while now, and some really good stuff. So I don't know what they've got in this box, but here we go. So this one's actually not from Red Chef. This is from Kampongku, which is another brand that they do, and this is their mamak fried noodle. Yeah, this is a really good one. It's like a mee goreng, and yeah, I've had this one before, and I'm gonna have it again. And here's one that's definitely on the top 10 list, as you can see from this right here. This is their spicy sakura prawn noodle, which not only has an air-dried wheat noodle, it's also got, bihun, which is rice vermicelli. Really nice pairing, really strong prawn flavor, excellent stuff. And again, this is their spicy sakura prawn, but it is just a wheat noodle. This is a fried wheat noodle, like your standard ramen noodle, and it is wonderful as well. And then here is their sesame clear soup noodle. And here's their green tom yum goong. This one's really interesting. It's definitely a unique play on tom yum and really quite good. Another one that's been on the top 10 list. Some more Kampongku. This is their garlic black pepper fried noodles. And yet another Kampongku. This is a fried noodle, again a mee goreng, but this is the curry seafood one. I believe this was my favorite of the set. And then finally, this is a new one I haven't tried. This is the Red Chef Haibihyam rice vermicelli. Haibihyam is kind of like, imagine chili crisp, but prawn crisp. And it's delectable stuff. And I think this stuff paired with rice vermicelli sounds really good. I just had some lunch, but I'm looking at this thinking maybe I didn't have enough lunch, so I should try it again. But I will be reviewing this very soon. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Red Chef for sending this over. Yeah, it's great to get Malaysian varieties in the mail. It always makes me very happy, so thank you very much. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.